What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and if you're new here, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I hope to earn your subscription today. So, what we have underneath me here is something brand new from Dragon into 2023. It is, of course, the Dragon Hurricane, as titled. We've got this scooter as pretty much a world first, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this. I have known about this scooter for a while, but I've been sworn to secrecy. I am so keen for this, being a lightning lover and fanatic. Let's get into this scooter. Let's say no more. Let's get into the unboxing of this amazing scooter. Let's do it. I don't want to ramble on too much, guys, but like, I'm shaking in excitement. I'm actually like, you have no idea. I'm so keen for this. Okay, guys, so I will admit you would have seen the start of this video. I have already had a sneak peek. I couldn't help myself. Ew. Oh, guys. Oh, this thing is big. Yes. Oh, this thing is solid. Alright, I'm going to try and open this box up a little differently today. I'm not going to pull it out like I usually do. I'm going to try and cut the two sides here so we can reveal this all together. Let's do it. Ready, guys? Yes! Okay, there's another little box. We'll open that up. Actually, no, we'll slide it over. All right, guys. So the brand new Hurricane 2023 from Dragon. Let's do it. Oh, let's go. All right. Charger box, maybe? Hang on. Oh. Oh, now that's a charger. That is massive. Oh, this gets me really excited. It's huge. That's awesome. All right. Skipping through, assuming we might have some tools in here. Yep, tools, of course, charger, cord for the charger, little toolkit, and we've got some Hurricane stickers to put on. Mad. I love putting stickers on scooters, it just makes you a little bit more personal. I don't know, I like it. Sweet. Wow, those... Wow. Okay. Massive. Double fork design. This looks really cool. All right, let's get this bad boy up. Don't scratch, don't scratch. Ooh. We got some colors. We got some colors. All right, let's get rid of this. Yeah. I'm just like so excited. Just pull everything out of the way. Oh, yes. Still got those solid clamps too. Oh, let's go. Straight off the bat, first impressions, guys. This thing is solid. Oh, this is sick. So before we move on anymore, I am going to put the bars on there because I just don't want them, you know, slapping about the place. And then I'll pull it out to obviously then reveal this amazing scooter. Oh man, this is, I'm sorry guys, I'm like, been a real rush, but this is just, I've been waiting for this. This is so cool. All right, so it's basically, by the looks of it, it's just 4 bolts at the top, guys, to mount your bars on, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, we've just got those two folding clamps. They're exactly like the lightning, so they just slide over and they just have a little spot where they rest on, and you clamp them up on both sides here, so there's a left and a right. Yeah, of course we've got that little dragon logos on the top of that. That's sick. Nice little touch. Nice little touch. Alright guys, so I thought I'd bring these in close, just so you guys can get a closer look. We've got a dual motor button here, obviously our screen, some nice hydraulic brakes. Slide this off actually while we're here. We've got the buttons for indicators. We've got indicators on this. Yes we do. Indicators, horn, lights, mad. Some nice little red accents here. This is all looking very, very nice. Green calipers, little green accents hidden everywhere. All right, so let's get this out. Oh, one wanted to come out. It's not the other. Alright, let's go. Oh. One thing's for certain, this is a heavy boy. Yeah, okay, not the best background, I know guys, but oh, I have missed a Lightning chassis so much. And the controller's sitting there too. How bloody cool. Alright, guess there's one more thing to do guys. Of course we've got to tighten all this stuff up, but I'm way too excited. Hey, oh, she's got a park as well. Oh, it's still got the blue lights on the side. Yes. We've got indicators, boys, that can be activated at the same time. We've got hazards. That's cool. Oh, I love this. Nice. Get that off in a minute. It's just a QC check tag from Dragon Scooters themselves. Nice. Oh, loving it. And that is very, very bright, by the way, that headlight. It's not doing it justice on camera. Oh, that is so cool. Alright guys, so we've got it out here in a bright area with a bit more room. We're going to now put the Hurricane stickers on. Just look like that. We'll get some close-ups of those in a minute. Yeah, so these do go on a certain way. We've just got to put this one here and pretty much cut this one here in half along here. And we're just going to put that one right there. And obviously this one here on the other side. So and you just line them up at the top. If I mess this up, Dragon, I'm sorry. But I'm thinking we go off that edge there and that edge there. And we have officially badged the very first Hurricane here in Australia. Love that noise. Okay, so this one here is basically meant to mimic the nice little silver Hurricane badge we have right at the front here on the controller box. And we're just going to get that going without taking the rest of these bits off. That's a very difficult spot to get to, but I'm up for a challenge. About there. So that looks pretty straight to me, mate. Nice. Let's hear it again. You know what time it is. I know you guys have been paying attention to those, so I thought I have to definitely add that in on this one. And we pretty much just rinse and repeat. We just do the other one on the other side of this control box. So lucky last. Let's see how she looks. All right, and the last part. So yeah, we've got all the stickers on now. It looks fantastic. I love the design of the scooter. It's looking so good. Yeah, let's get some slow motion shots of this real quick and we'll give it a wrap. Thank you all so very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.